What's up, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's happening with Tesla SPY in the broader markets. Just know that I'm not a financial planner, so take nothing I'm saying as financial advice. So, as far as Tesla's going, I'm not really seeing any major pieces of news, at least thus far. And I just want to say that Tesla's still holding up near 425. I'd like to see us hold above that to try to continue to push back up to 430. If we end up losing around this 410 area, there could be a shift in the trend. We could turn back down towards like 402 or below. But as of right now, Tesla's trying to make higher lows, and we're still looking a bit more bullish. We're very close to 425, which is not bad. And as long as we hold it near where we currently are, Tesla could later on run back up into the 430s. 432 to 435 could be coming. Now, the market's very tricky despite the rising wedge like set up on SPY. SPY came down, then bounced two times. And right now, the best thing to do is just watch your levels. We have not lost support at 662. We need to lose 662 to turn more bearish, or at least have some hope for bears. As long as we're above this, we're now favoring a test of all-time highs. SPY is still bullish. The QQQ has not lost 594. We're actually favoring all-time highs at 598 and eventually 600. The IWM is still bullish. Unfortunately for bears, we did not lose 240. We're getting bought back up to 245, and we're going to see if that breaks. ES did not lose 66.75 to be bearish. We have not lost the support, meaning that we're going to likely retest the all-time high around 67.20. Then eventually 67.40 comes next. There's upside potential. For NQ, we have to lose 24,550 to be more bearish. No sign of us losing major support, so we could be looking for 24,800 plus. Bitcoin's holding support as long as we don't end up losing 117,000 flats. We could be looking for an attempt for 118,000. Like I said before about Tesla, we're holding support. Could be looking for the 430s very soon. Nvidia is looking for resistance at 177. If we break this, we're looking for 178. Then 180 is our next target. I'm calling that level out specifically because that's very close to where this trend line happens to be. That's resistance that NVIDIA is testing right now. If we break this, we're going to be pushing even more. Apple, as long as we don't lose 237, we could try to bounce back up to 240. If we lose 237, we're going back down to 235. I'm hoping for a bounce back up to 240. Palantir is looking bullish. We started off with the dip and then we bounced. Looking for 178 to 180 is our targets. AMD is looking decent. We did dump all the way down to 149, but we were oversold. We got bought back up. We're looking for an attempt for 157.5 all over again. For Coinbase, we're looking bullish. We have 348 to 350 is our resistance. Amazon's going to be favoring essentially 235 as long as it does not lose 231.5. We have 788s to 790s our targets with this inverse head and shoulders like pattern on Meta. Could go a little bit higher for almost 790. For Google, as long as we don't lose 248, we could be looking for a bounce and attempt to get back up towards 253. For Microsoft, as long as we don't lose 507, we're going to be looking for an attempt for 512. So we have to be very, very patient. The VIX is still coming down. It has not gotten a breakout. It was trying to break out yesterday and it failed. So we're going to see if the breakout happens later. As of right now, there's like no sign of a breakout on the VIX. And the market is now back to bullish. So we just have to follow the trend in front of us, which is why Tesla could try to bounce as long as we hold near where we currently are. There could be another attempt for the 430s. I do think Tesla still looks bullish. We're making higher lows, as you guys could tell. And we're holding this trend line quite well, so it could be looking for 430 to 435 and also new highs. So it still looks bullish for now. No sign of a major pullback. With that being said, I want to thank you all so much for listening. I want to keep this video nice and short, and I'll see you guys very soon in just a couple of hours. Until then, I wish you all nothing but the best, and peace out.